Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. As you can see, today we have a special guest. Say hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name's Chloe.
Chloe is 8 years old and Chloe is my cousin. So Chloe is actually my second cousin. So this is my cousin's baby. And today I'm going to be doing a wash and go on Chloe's hair. So Chloe does have a different hair texture than me and a different hair type. So I'm going to do a wash and go using some of my favorite products that I love to use. It's going to be a challenge because you guys know that I do my hair on my channel. So doing somebody else's hair is definitely going to be different for me, but I'm looking forward to it. You guys know I like to take on challenges, and today Chloe is my little challenge. So Chloe, are you excited?
Yes.
You're excited? Are you looking forward to getting your hair done? We're going to get these curls popping today. Bailey, you want to say hi? Come on.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Bailey.
How old are you?
6.
And this is Chloe's little sister Bailey. And she wanted to get her hair done today, but we're gonna save her for another day. All right. Probably tomorrow. Okay. All right, so the products for today. Chloe, what is the first product we will be using?
Camille Rose White Cleansing Milk with White Orchid to soften my hair.
Yeah, so we'll be using this Camille Rose cleansing milk. I'm gonna co-wash her hair because she doesn't need a full shampoo and condition. I think this will do just fine. And then once we get into actually styling her hair, I'm gonna use these Afrosheen products that I've been telling y'all I needed to use. So the first product I'm gonna use is the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in conditioner. Then I'm gonna use the Crown Defining Curl Cream because we really want her to have some defined popping curls. And then we're gonna seal all that moisture in with this 3-in-1 Nourishing Oil. So I'm excited for today's video. Chloe, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get into it.
Yeah, let's get into the video.
Alright, so I'm pretty much done applying this cleansing milk into Chloe's hair, and you guys can see that the product isn't lathering because, like I said before, it's not a shampoo. It's just meant to, you know, get any buildup or residue that you've built up throughout the week. It's not meant to actually like strip your hair of its natural oils. This is just a gentle cleanser. So now we're going to rinse Chloe's hair. It's all nice and clean and ready for styling. You like your hair?
Yes.
You want to show? Go like this. Show the people your curls. Ooh, definition. Oh my gosh, Chloe, your hair looks so beautiful. Gorgeous. Do you like the way the products smell?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like the way
Smell
they
like Jolly Ranchers.
smell like Jolly Ranchers? Do you like the way it made your hair look?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, yes, look at the shine.
And it feels so soft.
So soft. Yes, I love it.
I think you should definitely use Afrosheen because it's great on your hair.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, so we have finished Chloe's hair. As you guys can see, her curls are popping. We got so much definition. I actually gave her mom a few tips that she can use to keep her hair nice and defined throughout the week. But these Afrosheen products worked so well in Chloe's hair. We got great definition, we reduced frizz, and now she is ready to go out into the world with her beautiful natural curls. Yes, so make sure you guys try out these Afrosheen products. As you can see, they are kid friendly. Chloe loves them. She thinks they smell good and they smell like Jolly Ranchers. So yes, today was a successful wash day. Chloe got a nice, beautiful wash and go. Chloe, thank you for being my special guest.
Subscribe to my cousin too.
Yes, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next video.
Come here.
Come here, Bailey. Come on. Run over. Bye.